Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since my last upload, but I'm finally back in the shop, and today we're doing something a little special. If you ever owned a 90s Toyota pickup or 4Runner, you know the stock exhaust on these vehicles are trash. This example is no different. It's old, rusty, there's holes in the muffler, and it makes my truck sound like a 4-banger. Luckily, the guys over at LC Engineering sell a custom exhaust built specifically for 5th generation Toyota pickups. I'll also be converting the old CARB-compliant catalytic converter to a smaller EPA-compliant unit from MagnaFlow, since I won't be living in the great state of California anytime soon. Now before we rip out the entire system, the old O2 sensor has to be replaced. Alright, check it out. This will save you guys a ton of time and a massive headache. Now both of these units are from Denso. The one on the left ending in 4052 is for Toyota pickups and 4Runners from 1992 to 1995. The one on the right ending in 4055 is for 88 to 91 models. They look similar and have the same sensor, but the plugs are different. One way you can tell the difference is the pin layout inside the plugs. Also, the 88 to 91 plug has a bung that attaches to the frame. It kind of looks like this. I cut mine off to see if it could work. It doesn't. Don't be like me and buy the wrong sensor. Check your VIN to get the correct model year of your rigs. So quick disclaimer, LC Engineering did not send me this. I bought it with my own funds, so I'll try and be as non-biased in my review as I can. Inside the box you'll find the system protected in bubble wrap, with all your hardware in a separate box to keep things tidy. Instructions are provided for the install, and they're concise and easy to understand. And with that, let's get to ripping out the old system. I'm really happy with how this install went. It was easy to figure out and only required basic hand tools to put together. All the pipes connected perfectly and the provided hardware was of excellent quality. LC Engineering really put a lot of work into making this system look and sound amazing. The coating they applied on all their hardware is durable and should last the rest of the truck's life. I've been driving the truck for about a month now. So far I've had zero complaints about how the exhaust sounds and performs. It gives my truck a nice throaty growl while also being just a smidge louder than stock. There's also no resonance in the cab, which can be a major problem in some aftermarket exhaust builds. There are some small problems, mostly nitpicks. First, the tailpipe section comes really close to the spare tire. It's not an issue with a stock tire, but it may rub if you're using a larger off-road one. It's also worth mentioning that you'll need to make a cut to the intermediate pipe depending on your application. We only had to cut mine about 3 inches off in order to make it fit. It's not a big deal, just be prepared with a pipe cutter or a sawzall to cut it to length. LC Engineering did an amazing job on this exhaust, and for that, it's getting a Benji Built score of 5 out of 5 beans. Before the video ends, I just want to give a big thanks to you guys, my subscribers. There's so many other YouTube channels out there with higher budgets, crazier content, and better production quality, but you guys subscribe to me anyway, and for that, I'm grateful. I'm really excited for 2024 and all the content I'm working on for the channel, so stay tuned. If you liked the video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more of Project Steel Beans. I'll see you guys here back in the shop real soon. Take care.